Geometric algorithm, convex hull. So what is a convex hull? A convex hull is the smallest convex set containing all the points. Dito sa image na to, makikita natin yung may broken lines, yun yung convex hull. Sa practical approach, pwede tayong maglagay ng mga pako sa isang kahoy, tapos lagyan natin ng rubber band yon. Kung saan sasabit yung rubber band, yun yung tinatawag na convex hull. A set of point is convex if for any two points P and Q in the set, the line segment PQ is completely in the set. So, yung line segment PQ natin dito, sa left side na image, considered convex kasi nasa loob siya nung pinaka-figure. Not convex na nasa right kasi na-overlap niya yung figure. Jarvis March. Tinatawag din package swap. First step dito sa Jarvis March is we choose the point with the minimum y coordinate. Let this point be P0. Yan. Suppose na ito yung given set of points natin. Hahanapin natin yung pinakamababa y coordinate. Tapos yun yung magiging P0 natin. Dito, nahanap na natin siya. Next step, rotate sweep line around current point in counterclockwise direction. The first point to be hit is on the hull. That's point P1. So, nag-start tayo sa P0. Gagawa tayo ng sweep line in a counterclockwise direction. Tapos, kung ano yung unang point na matamaan, yung magiging P1 natin. Uulitin lang natin yung step na yon hanggang sa makabalik tayo kay P0. Yun ay convex hull natin. Yung complexity ng Jarvis March. Given n equals number of points, h equals number of points on the hull. Time complexity niya is O of n times h. Worst case, nangyayari to kapag lahat ng points na given ay nasa hull. Kasi ibig sabihin, lahat ng points dadaanan ng process natin. Graham scan. First step dito, we select an anchor point or base point P0 in Q. Yung Q, yun yung set of points given. Normally, this is the point with minimum y coordinate. In case of the tie, we select leftmost point or the point with the minimum x coordinate in the set. So, pareho lang to ng step 1 ng Jarvis March. Next, sort the remaining points of Q, that is Q minus P0, lexicographically by polar angle measured in radians. Interior points on the ray cannot be a convex hull points, and remove these points during sort. Once the points are sorted, we connect them in counterclockwise order with respect to the anchor point P0. So, after ng sorting ng point, ipupush natin tong si P0 sa stack S. We scan through the points in counterclockwise order, maintaining at each step, a stack S containing a convex chain surrounding the points scanned so far. Each time we consider the new point P sub I, we perform the following test. So, may conditions kada makaka-encounter ng point. Una, if P sub I forms a left turn with the last two points in the stack S, or if S contains fewer than 2 points, then push P sub I onto the stack S. Otherwise, pop the last point from the stack S and repeat the test for P sub I. So, ayun yung nangyari. Ito, dito na-visualize yung step na yun. Graham scan, nag-start tayo sa P0, minimum y coordinate. Yan, tas na-sort na to kasi polar angle yung basihan ng pag-sort. Ayan, ito, exterior to. Na-reject tong point na to dito kasi interior angle siya. Sa sorting, mawawala yan. Pupunta sa exterior. Yan, repeat lang ng repeat hanggang sa makabalik ka kay P0. Ito yung pseudocode niya. Line 1, hanapin yung minimum y coordinate. In case ng tie, minimum x coordinate din. Line 2, isosort yung remaining points. Sa line 3 to 6, yan, nag-initialize ng stack containing first 3 points. Sa 7 na yung condition natin. Yan, tas ito. Time complexity, yan, line 1 equals ON, line 2, O of N log N, logarithm of N, lines 3, 4, 5, and 6. Constant time siya kasi nag-initialize lang tayo ng value. Line 7, N. Kasi in-scan ulit natin yung remaining points. Yan. Time complexity natin is O of N logarithm of N kasi yun yung worst case natin na nangyayari dun sa sorting. Next is quick haul. First step dito, we need a chord that we know as belonging to the final convex hull. One such chord can be the segment between the leftmost and the rightmost points, which are known to be on the hull. So, kunwari, ito yung given set of points. Hahanapin natin yung 2 points leftmost sa rightmost. Kasi sigurado tayo na kasama yung sa convex hull kasi sagad-sagaran. Next step, we find the point that is furthest away from the chord. Let's call this point P. This point will belong to the hull, so we insert it in our set of hull points between A and B. Yan. So, dito, maghahanap tayo ng pinakamalayong points dun sa chord na nahanap natin. Dito, ito yan, si point B. Next step, tatanggalin natin yung mga points na nakapaloob sa triangle na nabuo natin. Dahil sigurado na tayo na interior points yon, ibig sabihin, hindi sila kasama sa convex hull. Uulitin lang yun ang uulitin. Kapag tapos na dun sa first triangle, lilipat si point P sa kung sino pa yung isang pinakamalayong point sa chord, hanggang sa puro exterior points na lang yung matitira kasi na-eliminate mo na lahat ng interior. Ito yung pseudocode. Dito, inano natin yung point na furthest nga. Ang i-return nito, points na na-eliminate na yung nasa loob ng triangle. Time complexity. Consider the best possible case when each partition is almost balanced. Then we have O of N logarithm of N. Kapag balance. Kapag worst case naman, nangyayari ito kapag quadrilateral yung figure. Kasi medyo hindi nakakabuo ng triangle na madali. O equals N squared yung magiging time complexity. Thank you.